The Jansport Driver 8 rolling backpack from Aspen of Hereford Limited. This large 36-litre backpack has a lot to offer. On the side of the bag we have an elasticated drinks bottle holder. On the base of the bag we'll find a skirt guard, 80mm inline skate wheels. You will also see a pocket. In this pocket are fully adjustable padded backpack straps which attach to these D-rings on the sides. If we take a look at the top of the bag, we have a nice padded grab handle and an adjustable mono trolley handle. And now we'll take a closer look at the pockets. On the front of the bag we have a deep zipped pocket here. The next pocket back is an organiser pocket. This has two velcro topped pockets and a keychain. The next compartment is a large compartment, and then in the very back compartment we will find a padded section for up to a 15-inch laptop. This Driver 8 measures 53 centimetres tall, 35 centimetres wide, 25 centimetres deep, and this one is finished in navy.